Today, I'm going to show you hand embroidery design. I'm using 3 strands of floss here. Regular 6-stranded floss is a divisible thread up to a point. After you pull the full thread from the skein, it can be separated into 6 finer strands, each of which can be used for very fine embroidery or which can be put back together in any number of strands for increasingly bolder lines. I'm using 1 strand of floss here. I'm using 2 strands of floss here. I'm using all 6 strands. I post weekly videos right here on my YouTube channel. Please share this tutorial with your friends. I would love to hear your comments. Please leave them below. Subscribe to HandiWorks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.